Hey guys, Billy Dore here, and I want to thank you for checking out this video. Now, this is the video that you guys have requested. Okay, so this is the $18,000 case study that I've put together for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into Warrior Plus first of all. Okay, and we're going to quickly log into one of my many accounts, and let me show you the results that I was able to have, or results I was able to achieve by having my own digital product. Okay, so as you can see, the 3-minute commission program was able to generate $18,604 in the last 7 days or so. Okay, in the last 7 days, let me see if I can zoom in for you. Okay, there we go. So $18,604 by having my own digital product. Okay, that's the power. That's the power of having your very own digital marketing business, having your own products and services that you sell. And what I wanted to show you is by having a product on the internet, you actually have leverage. Okay, so you can leverage into masses of affiliates. You can get them to do the heavy lifting for you. You can get them to send you the traffic. You know, you can. Some people might. You might be thinking to yourself, which way should I drive traffic? Should I use YouTube? Should I use Facebook ads? Should I build a list? Should I do SEO? Well, when you have your own product, you tap into many different affiliates. And when you tap into many different affiliates, what happens is one of the affiliates is an expert in YouTube, another one is an expert in Facebook, another one is an expert in email marketing. So you'd get all these different types of affiliates driving you traffic from all these various different sources. Okay, so that's why it's very important to have your very own product. Okay, because as you can just see, I've been able to generate $18,000 with this one product alone. And if we go back a few months here, I just want to show you, this is just one of my accounts, by the way. And if we go here, we show you the last few months in this one account of mine, and I've been doing this for quite a few years now. As you can see, the top line figure, $163,642.07, well over 140,000 clicks, over 14,000 sales have been generated by having my own products, by tapping into affiliates. And then this allows me to build a list. Okay, these people go into my list where I can then sell affiliate products. Okay, and that's the power of having your own digital marketing business. It builds you a list, it builds you a product. You can promote affiliate products. You can then use that list to sell higher priced items. And I do have a few spaces available if you want to do the same. Now, if you've seen that, some of you have even bought the 3-minute commission system, and you've seen what I've been able to do. You can see the live proof on my screen. Okay, and I do have a few spots available. Okay, now this is a real business, and just to show you that this makes you real money. And you might be thinking, Billy, well, that's it's all on the internet, show me some real money. So what I did was I decided to take out some money that I'm going to be taking back to the bank. Okay, so we've got, okay, as you can see right here, that's about, with the new exchange rate, it's about, I'll say about $1,200, because I'm in the UK, London. That's another one. Okay, that's 2.5, and then another 2 would make it $5,000, £4,000 with the new exchange rate. Okay, and then we've got one more, which will make that about $6,200 or £5,000 here in the UK. And just to show you that this really works, you really can make real money with this system. It's not some type of fad or here today, gone tomorrow type of system. As you can see on the screen, $163,000. Okay, so for those of you that would actually like to work with me in a closer capacity, in a one-on-one scenario, okay, here's what I propose for you. So if we just go over to Google and we open up the docs and we show you what I have for you. So I'll open up a quick document here. Okay, so if we just make it big enough for you to read. Okay, so in the one-on-one program, okay, I'll help you get to one-on-one program 100K per year. Okay, so I'll help you get to $100,000 per year. Okay, and I'll teach you about researching, creating, and selling your own information products, just like I've showed you. Okay, your own information products, how to get affiliates to promote for you, okay, how to put together high converting pages, okay, how to do affiliate marketing. So once you build the list, how to do affiliate marketing with the buyers list that you build. Okay, I'll help you with the technical aspects, with technical aspects. I'll promote all your products, okay, to my list of over 28,000 subscribers. You'll also get step-by-step are also included, okay, which is videos. You'll get one-on-one calls with myself, okay, and you know, usually when I promote your product, I can sell anywhere from 100 to 200 sales. Okay, so that's got a lot of value right there. One-on-one calls with myself each week, and I'll help you do whatever it takes to reach $100,000 per year with your own internet business. Okay, so just to recap here, it's the one-on-one program. I've got 2 spaces available. One spot was taken the other day when I sent out the email. We've got 2 spots left. Okay, so I'll help you research, create, and sell your own information product. I'll help you show you how to get affiliates. I'll show you how to put together the high converting pages. I'll show you how to do affiliate marketing with the buyers list that you build. I'll help you with all the technical aspects. I'll help you promote your product to my own list. I can send anywhere from 100 to 200 sales. I'll show you the step-by-step. I'll give you step-by-step tutorials showing you exactly how to do all the different aspects, as well as, you know, you'll get one-on-one calls with myself, and I'll help you do whatever it takes to reach $100,000 per year with your own internet business. And you'll also get access to my VIP email address, okay, where you can email me anytime you want and get support from myself. Okay, now if you're interested in this and you're interested in getting results, as you can just see here, like I've just showed you, or results that I've just showed you right here, okay, then what you need to do is you need to head over to the fan page and drop me a message there. Okay, I'll just pull up the link. Okay, so the link should appear under the video. It's okay, so facebook.com/billy.dar786. Alternatively, just click on the link under this video. You'll get taken to my fan page. So let's just show you the fan page. So facebook.com/billy.dar786. So you get taken to my fan page. Just click on the message button. And then just let me know, say hello, hi, yes, I'm interested in your one-on-one coaching program. Let me know, and I'll be there to help you, to guide you, to assist you, and tell you more information about what we can do, if we can work together, if we're a good fit or not. And I'll be there to help you get results like this. Okay, as you can see, that's $163,642 in this account. If I go to another one of my accounts, and we go to Warrior Plus. Okay, we go here and we go to the affiliate section, and we go to stats, and I just show you the last 16 days as an affiliate. So just to show you, I know how to do affiliate marketing. I also know how to do product launches. I just showed you the 18K and the $163,000 proof in product launches. Last 16 days, $5,492 in affiliate sales in this one network alone. If you go to accounts and we go to the summary, you can see I'm ranked the #1 affiliate in the last 30 days right here. Okay, then the #1 affiliate. In this account, I've generated over $135,000 as a vendor, $80,000 as an affiliate. And in this other account right here, if we just go to account settings, we go to summary, and okay, so here we are, $163,000, and over here we're ranked #4. We're ranked, or after Warrior Plus themselves, we're ranked, yeah, #4, I think, or #3, because Warrior Plus also counts, I believe. So we're ranked #4, okay, in the last 30 days, #4 in the last 60 days, and almost the top 10 in the last 365 days with this one account, okay? So, and it was only opened in February, the 11th of February 2016. This is one of my newer accounts. Okay, so go ahead. If you want to learn, if you want to work with me in a one-on-one scenario, you want to get to $100,000 per year. As you can just see, I've showed you 100K in this account. I've showed you 100K in this account. I've showed you almost 100K in affiliate earnings. Okay, so if you want to get to 100K with my help, I can definitely help you get there. I can help you create the products. I can help you research. I can help you with the selling. I can help you with the copywriting, the affiliates. How to put together the pages. If you've got any hurdles, I'll be there to help you. I'll promote your products. I'll help you get affiliates. I'll even introduce you to a few affiliates. I'll give you the step-by-step tutorials, and I'll help you do whatever it takes to reach $100,000 per year, including train you with affiliate marketing, train you on how to send emails. This is a comprehensive program. It's a 12-month solution. It's a 12-month program, and the goal is to help you get to $100,000 per year with your very own internet business. It does require work, it does require effort, it does require your time. This is not some type of get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a get-rich-quick system. If you're motivated, if you're dedicated, and you want to replace or supplement your existing income with an extra $10,000 per month or $100,000 per year, then this is for you. Head over to facebook.com/billy.dar786, or alternatively click on the link under this video. You'll get taken to my fan page. Click on message, send me a message. Okay, that was me just testing it. When I click on message, you can see Billy. So I was testing it from my personal profile to my fan page. Click on the message, send me a message, say, hello Billy, yes, I would like to get more information, or I'm in, I want to join you, how much is it, so on and so forth. We'll see if you're a good fit for the program, and we'll see if we can work together. Now, we do only have 2 spots available. This is for serious people, okay, and you must have some type of income. You must understand this is a business takes investment. Any offline business, you're looking at hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands. The beauty of an internet business is you don't need that type of money, but you do need some type of investment. Okay, so if you like what I've just showed you, if you like the money I've showed you here, or you've liked the money I've just showed you on the screen, then go ahead, click on that link, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to see if we can work together. If we can, I'll sign you up as a client. If not, no worries, we'll walk away as friends. So go ahead, click on that link right now, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.